Today we'll see how to use named routing. In normal navigation, we have seen how to navigate using router outlet. So hey guys, welcome to CodeSpace tutorial and I am God of Paul. Here we will implement named routing, which also takes an array and render multiple named router outlets. So let's get started. So we have created a project using ng new named router. So once it get installed, we'll just run the server using ng serve. In my case, it will fail because my Angular CLI is not proper and it will miss Angular dev kit. So I'll just manually go and install it using npm install Angular dev kit code. So once it get installed, I'll just run it again ng serve. So my port is running. Okay, my another server is running. I'll just go and stop it and rerun it. So now I can see that it's running on localhost 4200. So in the browser we can just open it. So you can see this, it got loaded using localhost 4200. Now I'll go inside src app and app component.html. I'll replace everything and I'll just simply give router outlet. So this will help me to navigate to different pages using app routing.module.ts. And in this I'll just export a class called app routing modules. And I'll import the same app routing modules in app module.ts. And I'll add it in imports in ng modules. In app routing modules.ts, I'll just go and import. So I'll just import it from Angular router. So it should be actually @Angular router. I'll just import router modules and routes. Sorry, it should be camel case route. So I'll create a constant routes of type routes. And here I'll just give the path for base path. I'll just redirect to some component. So I'll just go and create a component using ng generate component. So I'll give the component name as color. And for base path, I'll just redirect it to color. And I'll give another path called color. And I'll load the component, color component. So I'll just format it using Alt-Shift-F. And in ng modules, we'll just add import, export and the providers. So in imports, we'll just use router module dot for routes and we'll pass routes. And in exports we'll just give router modules. and in providers we'll just leave it blank. Okay, some syntax error. I got it. It should be router outlet, and I'll change this redirect to path match full, and I'll give the redirect wildcard at the last. So now you can see this, the app is running fine. Now we'll generate another color called using ng generate component green, and here I'll just copy and paste router outlet and give it a name. So I'll give it name green color. I'll create another called red color, and I'll generate the component using ng generate component red. In app routing modules.ts, I'll add some other path called color, called path green, and I'll load the component green component. I'll just copy and paste it and use another path called red and load the component red component. And here I'll give for the name we need to use the outlet. So outlet would be the name that we defined in router outlets. So this name we'll just copy and paste it, and for red it will be red color. Now I will add the routers. So like other routing, like we use like slash, then we give color and slash some name. So it doesn't work like that. For this we need to pass in the router link, which is an array. So we need to pass the outlet like green or green color outlet, the named, and which path it should navigate. So the name goes first and the path goes second. So I just give the hyperlink name green link. I'll put it inside a div just to differentiate it and give it a color called green. And for red I'll just give it the color red. Some error is there. Okay, this name doesn't take any special character, so we'll just remove this hyphen. I'll edit in approuting.module.ts also. Just save it, and now we can see the app is running fine. So we'll see how these named parameters work. So if I click green link, so you can see in that hyperlink, the hyperlink got changed. It doesn't look so good, it is not so cool. It came inside a bracket, so you can see that green color, then colon green, but this name parameter works fine. So inside the main component, that is the color home component, that is the color works, which is the parent. Actually we used that normal router link. After that we gave for that hyperlink load green works, so it loaded fine. Now I'll add another hyperlink, and in the router link I will pass the outlet as red color for path red, and I will remove the base color works. I'll just go and save it. So now we can see that the base is not displayed, so we have directly got green link and the red link. Go to the base path. So now we can see that neither the green link nor the red link. So if I click red link, you can see the red works, and if I go and click again a green link, which will keep both the router links, that is green works and the red works, because as I told already, it takes an array. So in the hyperlink also you can see that localhost 4200/color, then in the bracket we can see that it takes an array like green color colon green, then /red color colon red. That's all for this tutorial. If this video is any help, then hit the thumbs up icon. For software and programming tutorials, subscribe to my channel and don't miss out any videos by hitting the notification bell icon. For any queries, comment below. Thanks for watching this video.